Using the same graph as in example 1, we want to state the coordinates of A, B and C under the transformation y equals 2 times f of x minus 3 plus 2. The f of x minus 3 means a shift to the right of 3 units. Multiplying by 2 means a stretch away from the x-axis factor 2, so that all points are twice as far away from the x-axis as they are originally. We then follow this with a vertical shift of 2 units upwards. Look at each point. If we look at A, we shift 3 units to the right, which means the x-coordinate becomes minus 3. For the y-coordinate, we need to move twice as far away, so we move to 40, and then a further 2 upwards is 42. If we look at B, 3 units to the right moves it to 1. Twice as far away from the x-axis moves to minus 20, and then 2 up is minus 18. If we look at C, right 3 moves the x-coordinate to 6. Twice as far away is 40, and a further 2 up is 42.